we're in Hid right now. This is the 4-bedroom apartment with a kitchen, nice layout. We're looking at the massive expansive hall over here with a balcony. The layout was pretty nice. We do have a Majlis over here. The Majlis has its own separate washroom and entrance or exit. And we have a kitchen, which is closed kitchen. Some of the layouts have a balcony. Some of the layouts do not have a balcony. This one is the with balcony layout kitchen. Nice, cozy. And along the corridor we have 2 guest toilets, which serve the 3 rooms over here. So we have 4 rooms, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 of them have these common toilets, as well as for the guests. And one of them would be a master room with attached toilet. This is room 3. That would be the master room. With an attached toilet right over here.